was brought to us by the Viva Prime channel, and the instant replay presented to us by Santa Ana Park. Sa aksyon.
Pato.
6. And the race is on. Batangas Sports from the outside school reception. Running by the rallies Macalelon, then followed in by Special Guest, while Devil in Disguise is the early trailer run going along for the first turn. Cool Reception leading the pack by some 4 lengths, followed by Batangas Sports. Macalelon is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Devil in Disguise racing in fourth by some 2 lengths, and his Special Guest is running in fifth by some 4 lengths, working towards the back. Cool Reception leads by some 3, followed by Batangas Sports, and Macalelon racing from the outside. Devil in Disguise racing in fourth by some 2 lengths, and a long way back to Special Guest. Rounding the fourth turn, Cool Reception. Batangas Sports sneaking by the rails, Devil in Disguise, and Macalelon. Rounding the fourth turn, Cool Reception. Batangas Sports, Macalelon moving up from the outside as they race the follow corner. Batangas Sports in the center. Macalelon is on the outside. Cool Reception done on the inside, and Devil in Disguise. And nearing the last 150, Macalelon is on the outside. Batangas Sports by the line, Cool Reception. And finally, Macalelon, Batangas Sports, Cool Reception. Devil.
Siya lang talaga mayroong pinakamalakas na dating doon.